king of the North Pole!
Hi guys, Megan from Lionel Trains here to talk to you today about the Polar Express G-Gauge Ready to Run set. This set is the perfect set to put underneath your Christmas tree this holiday season. Included in this set is a durable plastic battery-powered locomotive and tender, a coach car that's very similar to what you see in the movie, as well as the observation car with the disappearing hobo feature. It also comes with the Polar Express figures that allows you to create different scenes throughout the movie. Also included in the set is over 18 feet of durable, easy to connect plastic track. So let's talk about how you operate this train. This easy to use remote, great for little hands, has the forward operation as well as reverse operation. Authentic bell and whistle sound buttons, also movie specific announcements. So if you're looking for the perfect set to put underneath your Christmas tree this holiday season, look no further. Experience the magic with Lionel's The Polar Express G-Gauge Ready to Run set and create memories that will last a lifetime.
Experience the power of steam with the Yardmaster HO scale train set from Bachmann. Based on a typical local freight train from years past, featuring an 060 steam locomotive, gondola, and offset cupola caboose, the Yardmaster is the perfect entry point for any newcomer into model railroading. Just as with all of our ready-to-run train sets, this set is loaded with animated features for fun and exciting railroad action. From a glowing track-powered headlight to operating driving rods, the steam locomotive brings the sights of the steam era to life. And who could forget about smoke? Simply add a few drops of Bachmann smoke fluid carefully into the chimney, and your Yardmaster will puff just like the real thing. Wearing the legendary Union Pacific Greyhound colors, the locomotive features body-side riveting, boiler top components, and metal drivers, while the gondola shows off an authentic paint scheme, and the caboose displays a separately applied chimney, brake wheel, and finely produced end platforms. Featuring a 36-inch circle of snap-fit easy track and a wall-powered speed controller, your Yardmaster set can be up and running in just minutes for hours of model railroading fun. Setting up your easy track train set is simple. Carefully connect your track pieces. Check to ensure that all rails are seamlessly joined together. Firmly plug your power wire into the track and included speed controller. And connect the wall power pack to your controller to get moving. All of our train sets can be run in both forward and reverse directions, and the speed of the model can be finely controlled to ensure your Yardmaster makes all of its deliveries on time. Get started in the world of model railroading today with starter sets from Bachmann.